recordnya, record biasa.
Okay. Okay, good evening all. Thank you for coming in surprise class 4.0. This is our first surprise class because before we have three previous surprise classes and this is the fourth. Okay. And then this is presented by me, Miss Bila, and Mama Chan. Hi, Mama Chan.
Hi.
How are you doing, Mama Chan?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also very, very excited because so many students here. 24.
Yes.
Yeah,
I like
24.
it. Hmm.
Okay, today,
24?
uh,
24 ya?
yes,
24 tuh. Oh, wow.
24. Yeah. Okay. While we
Okay.
are waiting for Miss Sinta, she is still praying. In Belgium now is still afternoon, still zuhur.
Afternoon.
Yeah. So we can start with the warming up. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
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 Okay. Yeah. Okay. The first is maybe you know the compound words.
Compound word.
Yes, but this will be the name of the country. Okay, let me share.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. Okay. Yeah, can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
it's all
yes,
clear.
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
Let's start.
Yes.
Welcome back, friends. Today, guess countries' names by emoji. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. All right, let's play quiz. First question.
Yes. What country is this?
Belgium.
Yep. Who answered?
Belgium.
Belgium. Okay, let's see.
Belgium. Yeah.
Belgium country.
Yes, it's Belgium, like
Belgium.
Miss Sinta is now.
Next one.
What is
Germany. Which Germany?
it? Germany. Yes, who says Germany?
Germany.
Good. Germany.
Germany. Yay.
Yay.
Any
Next.
idea?
Finland.
Uh-huh. What is it?
France.
Yeah, it is France.
Oh.
Guess the country's name.
Oh. That is-
Holland.
Huh? Who said that?
Wait.
What?
I don't know.
Poland.
Poland. Yes.
Poland.
What do you think?
Five. Okay.
Iceland.
Iceland.
Iceland. Yes, this is very easy. It's Iceland. Next.
Iceland.
Good. The next is.
Next question.
China.
China.
Wow, very good.
China.
Who said China first? Yes, it's
China.
China. Good, great. Next
Any
is.
guess?
Singapore. Okay.
Singapore? Are you sure it's Singapore?
Spain.
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 S-M-A.
This country is too easy to guess.
It's easy. It's easy.
Japan.
Japan. Yes. It's piece of cake. The next.
Japan.
Okay, 10 countries here.
Next question.
Cuba.
Cuba. Okay, let's see. Is it Cuba?
Cuba.
Yes, good. Last one. 10
What
countries.
about these emojis?
Finland.
Finland? Fishland?
Finland.
Yeah, it's Finland. Okay. Yay, good job all. Yeah. Next, Mama Chan, what about the tongue twister?
Let's check. Sinta.
Oh
Is
yeah.
there? Yeah, Sinta.
Is Miss Sinta coming here?
Is she already here?
Not yet, Mama Chan.
Oh, not yet. Okay. Okay, now let's start the tongue twister.
Okay, the tongue twister. I will show the picture. Here it is. Missy. Okay. Nah. Okay. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now, let's have a tongue twister supaya lidahnya nggak terseok-seok ya. Nanti kan habis gini kita conversation sama Miss Sinta. Okay, now let's start the first tongue twister. Repeat after me. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Yuk, boleh tiruin, repeat after me.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
I saw a kitten.
Okay, let's start together. Ulangi ya, bareng-bareng semuanya ya. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I
I
saw a
saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Okay, faster. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
I saw a
Lebih cepat ya, faster.
Chicken in the kitchen.
I saw a
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Oh my God.
Eating chicken in the kitchen.
Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. I saw a kitten.
I saw a kitten eating
Chicken in the kitchen.
in the chicken. In the chicken.
I saw a kitten in the kitchen.
Okay. Okay, good
In the
job.
chicken.
All right. Miss Bila, can you share the second one?
Okay, the second one, to make your tongue twisted. Kalau belum melintir lidahnya berarti belum.
Kalau belum melintir-melintir lidahnya masih ditambah lagi biar melintir-melintir ya.
Okay, here it is.
I cannot see. Okay, this is the second one. I scream, you scream. We all scream for an ice cream. Repeat after me. I scream, you scream. We all scream for an ice cream.
We all scream for an ice cream.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for an ice cream.
Bareng-bareng ya. 1, 2, 3. Ice cream. We all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, we all scream for an ice cream.
Okay, faster. Lebih cepat lagi ya. I scream, you scream. We all scream for an ice cream. Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for an ice
Bagi
cream.
satu Kak Jimen.
Kenapa Mas Rehan?
Sendiri Kak Jimen.
Oh, sendiri-sendiri. No, it's no need. Langsung aja. Nanti ini apa? Miss Sintanya selak datang. Loh, selak datang. What is selak datang?
And I
Keburu datang.
Is Miss Sinta already here, Miss? Miss Bila,
Hello, Miss Sinta.
Hi, Miss Sinta. Let's check Miss Sinta. Miss Sinta here.
Sekolah duhur guys di sana guys.
Oh, Miss Sinta.
No, not yet,
Sana
Mama.
masih di sana itu masih siang.
Ya, betul.
Ya,
Lisa
maksudnya
nama Sylvia.
Jam 9.18.
we have
14
5 hours, 5 hours
Iya,
5 or 6 minutes,
Ma'am,
5 hours different with Indonesia. 5 jam ya duluan kita.
As
Iya, ikut.
Macan.
Iya, oke. Siapa tadi yang tanya?
Ya, Nindi.
Oke, Kak Nindi. What do you want to ask?
Kita kasih pertanyaan ke
Miss Sinta, yes.
ya ke
You
Miss
have to
Sinta.
ask her. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think I will share the topic today. We will have free conversation, free talk, yeah. But we have a topic. Topiknya apa, Miss? Kemarin, Miss? Ya ampun.
The topic is about school in Belgium.
We can compare Indonesian schools in Indonesia and in Belgium. We can compare. You can ask everything about education, about school, the facilities, ya about everything schools in Belgium. Ya perbedaannya sama di sini itu kayak gimana, kayak gitu boleh. Also, if you have another question about Miss Sinta, about her family, it's okay. Nggak apa-apa juga.
Halo Miss Sinta.
Yeah, Miss
Udah.
Sinta is here. Yeah,
Oke.
here she
Welcome,
comes.
Sinta.
Halo.
Mana?
Wah, backgroundnya masih ada.
Mana? Oh, wow.
Hi, Miss
Oke.
Sinta.
Hai, Miss Sinta.
How are you doing? Miss Sinta, am I audible?
Halo.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. How are you doing, Miss Sinta?
How are you doing?
Hello?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And how are you?
Good, okay. I'm well. What about Mama Chan?
Ya, oke. Welcome, Sinta.
Welcome.
Okay, guys, this is Miss Sinta. Well, actually, she is from Indonesia, but she's living in Belgium right now. She's my friend when I was in elementary school. Dia temanku SD, guys. You can ask everything about school, like I said before, that the topic today is about schools in Indonesia and in Belgium. But besides, if you have another question about her activity, daily routine, it's okay. You can ask. Okay. Before we start the conversation, Miss Sinta, you can one more time introduce yourself because there are so many new students here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Sinta, the time is yours.
Hey everyone, I'm Sinta. Apparently, I'm Indonesian who live in Belgium, and we call it diaspora. What else? I have two kids, two daughters, 9 and 7. I'm just housewife, but I also have a job here. I work at the cafe, and I also work in social organization. So I work at the cafe as a chef, and I work in the social organization also as a chef. What else? That's it. Maybe you have a question.
Okay. Okay, everyone. You can ask Sinta question.
Okay. It
Yeah,
starts
who
from
wanted the first one?
Mhm.
Who wanted the first one?
The question, we have the list. Maybe Miss Sinta wants to answer the question that have received first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, the first question is from Atar.
Me.
Atar.
Atar,
Okay.
yes, please. What is your question, Atar? Is
In Belgium, in school there is MBG kah?
there any MBG?
Is there any MBG in Belgium?
Yes.
MBG.
I will ask that.
Of course.
Only
It is
There is no MBG.
There is no MBG in Belgium.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, what about the lunch, Miss Sinta? The lunch, the students' lunch there.
They have to bring their own lunch. Actually, they have two times break at 10 a.m. and at 1. At 10 a.m., normally they will eat fruit, but at lunch, I mean, I don't know, at 1 or half 2, I think. Between 1 and half 2, then they can have lunch. Their own lunch, I mean.
Their
But
own
there is
lunch.
some section for elementary and kindergarten, and in the kindergarten they only eat sandwich. They only can bring sandwich, but in the elementary they can bring like meal. If you bring a burger or something else, then it's allowed. But for the kindergarten, it's not allowed because they are still small. Then they will make mess everywhere.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, so
thank you for
Mas Qatar.
the question from Master. Okay, is there any question for
Okay.
Miss Sinta? You can give the raise hand symbol first.
Okay, Gabriel, I think.
Aisyah.
Yeah.
Gabriel want us question.
Okay.
Okay. Miss Sinta, are
Yes.
there like UN or USNBN in Belgium?
Final examination.
Oh, final examination when we will graduate from school. UN, ujian nasional ya. Okay.
Heptanas.
Not UN.
No.
They don't have national examination. They just have examination only for the 6th grade. Indonesia, I think we call it UAS, right? Ujian akhir semester.
Oh, I see.
That's it.
Oh.
There's no national examination because I don't know the reason actually, but for elementary, they will have exam. How should I say? I mean the exam here, like ujian akhir semester, like that. The final semester examination. Not all of them. I mean, not all of them. Normally, only 6th grade have it because they will go to high school. So the 1st until 5, they don't have any big examination.
Okay.
It's just like quiz. I think in Indonesia we call it ulangan, like daily.
Yeah.
Daily
Daily
exam.
ulangan.
Mm-mm.
Or what?
Okay. So, Gabriel, there is no UN in Belgium.
Okay. Thank you,
Nah,
Gabriel.
Thank you, Gabriel.
Who else
Is there
wants to ask?
another question? You can raise your hand, ya.
Give the react. Okay, Raihan.
Oh, Mas Rehan.
Mine.
Okay.
It's not about school, but I just asking.
Okay.
Since when do Miss Sinta in Belgium?
Oh, since when do I move here?
How long have you been living?
Like 10 years ago, January 2016.
Oh,
10 years ago.
10 years. Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yeah.
There another question, Mas Rehan?
Udah sih, ma'am.
Maybe you can ask her, is there any OSIS? Is there any OSIS in Belgium?
Oh, yeah.
You can ask her because you are
There
one of
any
them.
like
Your school.
OSIS, Miss? OSIS MBK gitu?
OSIS. How do we call OSIS in Belgium? OSIS is like student organization.
It doesn't
Student
exist here.
organization.
It doesn't we have a school organization here. The school
Oh,
organization is only run by parents.
by the parents.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So there is no OSIS, Mas,
Okay,
in
okay, okay,
Belgium.
thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, my pleasure. All right.
Adis.
Another question, Adis.
Adis, hi.
Is there like any extra classes for sixth grade final exam? Like kelas tambahan untuk TKA.
Oh.
Extra class for preparation, Miss Sinta. Preparation to have final examination.
For
He said for
kindergarten, I guess. Kindergarten.
No.
No.
Here in the kindergarten, they just playing. They cannot write yet. They cannot read yet until the last one, the third kindergarten, and then the teacher will teach them how to write their name at least, and then just little bit reading like ABC 1, 2, 3. That's it, and then they will start learning like reading Encalistung, everything in the first grade.
Oh.
Is it answer your question, Adis? TKA di sini maksudnya Adis apa? TKA akhir kelas 6 atau TKA kindergarten?
6.
TKA kelas 6, final examination.
Great.
The preparation for the student that who will face the final examination. Extra class.
There is no extra class.
So
Actually,
they study by themselves, Adis.
Attention for every student. So if they need like it's not extra class, like extra attention for another teacher to get better, they will just do it in the class or outside the class, but it's not after the class. It's like
Okay. Okay.
That all, Adis? Thank you. Okay, next question.
Raise your hand.
You may raise your hand to ask about. Okay, Mas Gana.
Mas Gana. Oh, wow.
Hi, Miss Sinta.
Hi.
I want to ask you, what is your first impression when you came to Belgium? Thank you.
Oh my God.
My first impression coming to
Yes.
Belgium, honestly, I'm not impressed.
You are very honest.
Why are you not impressed when you came to Belgium?
Disappointed because I thought Europe that will be in my mind and my imagination that it will be clean, something like that, not chaotic. But here it's not clean and also chaotic. So many junkies, so many drunk people. So that's my first impression. I'm not impressed at all.
Oh, and what makes you hard to adapt in new situation, new conditions in Belgium?
Hard. Different language, different weather, what else? A different culture also. Many things.
Okay, thank you, Miss Sinta.
Not impressed, Mas Gana.
Not impressed. Okay, Mas Abid, Miss
Abid.
Bila, Mas Abid.
Okay.
He has another question for Miss Sinta. Yuk, Mas Abid.
In Belgium, how many years at each level of school?
Huh? How many
Sorry, can
levels?
you repeat your question, Mas Abid?
How many level at school in Belgium?
How
Yes.
many level?
How many years at each level of school?
Oh, how many years at each level of school in Belgium?
How many years?
Yeah, okay. How many years, Miss Sinta, at each level?
In elementary, then elementary will be 6 years.
6 years, same like here, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
What about in junior high school and senior high school, Sinta?
here we call it only high school. So
Only high
high
school.
school also 6 years.
Oh, 6 years. Oh, I see. 6 years high school, 6 years elementary school.
Ya.
Jadi gitu Mas Abid, 6 tahun di SD sama 6 tahun di sana nggak ada SMP sama SMA, Mas. Jadi kayak jadi satu gitu. They call high school. 6 tahun SD, habis itu high school 6 tahun juga. Sebenarnya totalnya sama ya. It's
Yeah.
same like in Indonesia, 12 years.
But
Okay.
the difference,
So after high school, they can go to college or university like that, Sinta?
yes, true. After that, you can go to university or college. Yes.
Oke. Oke, Mas Abid.
Only that. Thank you, Miss Sinta.
Alright.
Right.
Next question, maybe besides Gabriel. Kalau nggak ada yang lain, baru Gabriel lagi.
Ya Allah. Ayu,
Mbak
Mbak
Pelangi.
Zahra. Oh, Mbak Pelangi.
Oke,
Oke.
hai Mbak Pelangi. Oke. What is your question?
Okay. Halo, Miss Sinta.
Hello.
Any special custom at school in Belgium? I mean, it's like the teacher and I praying together.
Okay, is there any special habit or culture at school in Belgium, like in Indonesia, Miss Sinta? When we comes to the school, we should shake the teacher's hand, salim, like that. Is there any culture like that in Belgium?
Yeah. That is nothing. That is something like that. Actually, yes or no? No. No, it just no.
No, there is no culture, special custom like that, Mbak Pelangi, in Belgium.
Nggak
They
ada
don't
saling tangan ya.
wear school uniform.
Oh, don't wear school uniform. Jadi di sana sekolahnya nggak pakai seragam.
Seragam. Pakai seragam.
Jadi nggak ada salim juga sama bu guru, nggak ada.
Nggak ada salim. Nggak ada salim, nggak pakai seragam juga. Oke. Oke, anyone who else who
Thank
want
you.
to ask question?
Gabriel again.
Mbak Bian, Mbak Zahra, Sanum.
Siapa nih, Mbak Gladys?
Alim.
Bianca. Oke, Bianca.
Bianca.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is there any religious education or maybe subject? Is
Yeah.
there religious subject in Belgium?
Yeah. There is.
What?
There is Islam. You mean at school, right? There is
Yeah.
Islam, Catholic, there is a Protestant, and then there is atheist. It's funny that they atheist in the religious subject because actually atheist it has
Atheist subject.
yeah.
Okay.
Atheist subject.
Nah,
Wow,
Kak
ini.
Rian.
What do atheists learn?
What do atheists learn?
Do not know.
We do not know, Mbak Bianca.
She didn't. She doesn't know.
Okay,
She
thank you.
doesn't know. Oh,
Thank
oke.
you.
Ateis belajar apa ya, guys? Kok dimasukin ke mata pelajaran ya?
Yeah, it's kind of logic because they don't believe in God.
Ya. Oke.
Who? Gabriel or Atta? Gabriel ini.
Gabriel, I want another one.
Ya.
Ayo dong.
Atta sama Gabriel tadi sudah nggak apa-apa di itu dulu. Nanti kalau nggak ada yang lain,
Ya,
apa
oke.
nih? Mbak Kinan, ada Kinan nih.
Oke.
Siapa nih? Mama Chan yang mau dipanggil.
Ada Mas Gandhi. Tadi Mas Gandhi katanya mau tanya, yuk.
Albi
Yuk,
tadi
Mas
sudah
Gandhi,
belum
you
ya?
prepare question. Mas Albi. Oh, ini ada Mas Albi, Miss.
Oke, Albi.
Hello, Miss Tenta. I have a question.
Yeah.
There are scholarships available in Belgium.
What?
Repeat,
Sorry.
please.
There are
Can you repeat?
scholarships available in Belgium.
Sorry, Mas Abid. I cannot understand your question. Can you repeat?
There are scholarships available in
Oh,
Belgium.
scholarship. Scholarship. Oh, is there any scholarship in Belgium? Yeah, I think yes.
I think
Yeah.
but only in the university.
Oh, only in the university. Oh. Cuma saat kuliah aja, Mas. Beasiswanya.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. Okay. Mas Albi, is there another question? Okay, Mas,
Is that all, Mas Abi? Albi. Okay.
Mas Albi and Abid, they are siblings.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for the question, Mas Albi. Is there any? Tadi ada Adis, ada Atar, ada Gabriel yang sudah nanya semua.
Tetap aja ya. Ya, oke, Miss. It's okay, Miss.
Ya, Mas. Oke, Gabriel first. Oke, Gabriel. Well, Gabriel, what is your another question?
Are there is a difference with Indonesian SDM with Belgium SDM?
Human
resource. Human resource. Allahu Akbar.
It's different. Of course, it is different.
Yeah, that's different.
There's a big difference. Here, if you want to have a job, if you want to work, then you have to have any what is it? Training, and it's official training, and you will get a diploma for each training. So basically here they have so many really so many training for every job.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Sinta.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay,
Alright.
Kinan. Ya, Mbak Kinan. Your question.
Hello, Miss Sinta.
Hello, Kinan.
Is it better in Belgium or in Indonesia?
Oh my God.
What do you mean better in Belgium than in
Yeah.
Indonesia?
Apa? Tinggalnya
Apanya,
ya.
Kinan? Yang better apa? What is the better one? The food or the ambience or the weather maybe?
Apa? Lingkungannya apa ya?
Environment?
Environment.
The environment, I think in Indonesia is better because here, we have so many issue problem like racism. What else? Mostly is racism. So, and it's really, what is it? If you cannot handle it, then you will be stressed because it can happen to you anytime, anywhere, in the public transportation or in the public area.
Ya, sistem Mbak Kinan ya.
Oke, Miss.
Actually, you have to be tough.
Yeah, it's stressful indeed. Okay, thank you for your question.
Thank you, Miss.
Any other question? Adis.
I actually have 3 questions.
Oh, 3.
Oh,
Okay.
wow, 3 questions.
The first,
Adis putus-putus ya kayaknya ya, the connection.
Ya.
Okay.
I'm going to change my data.
Oke, sudah.
Oh.
First question.
Adis, connectionnya is poor. The connection of Adis is poor. Yeah, it's lagging. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ya, sudah.
Halo.
Are you back, Adis? Okay.
Yeah.
Your question?
The first question is, do you have any regrets going to Belgium?
Do I have any?
Do you have any regrets going to Belgium? Like, okay.
Yeah. Do I have any regret going to Belgium, move here? Fun fact, yes. Because I cannot work as a doctor like in Indonesia. That's the biggest regret, actually.
Yeah.
And also the lifestyle in Indonesia is different. So I like the lifestyle in Indonesia.
Okay.
And the second question?
The second question is, what is your daily routine in Belgium?
What is?
Can you repeat your question, Adis?
What is your daily routine in Belgium? Like, what is your activity or something?
Routine. Daily routine. My routine on wake up in the morning, prepare the kids to school, take them to school, and then I went to work directly. Back to work, pick up the school, make food. It's just like robot routine. So you already have exact routine. But actually it's kind of boring. You know, so Gojek, if you are at work and then I'm hungry and outside is raining or so windy or maybe snowing, then Gojek is the savior. But here you have to go.
Yeah, there is no Gojek there.
There is no Gojek.
Okay, last question, Mbak Adis.
Is there any scouts in Belgium, Pramuka. Is there scouts in Belgium?
Yes, yes, Scouts, yes. Pramuka, yes.
Yes.
In elementary school?
No. Scouts or Pramuka here is not at school, but it's just it's like organization. The Pramuka is organization, and you can join.
Yeah, it's
Oh, I see.
organization, special
Oh, yeah.
organization, not ex-school. Okay, thank you, Adis, for your questions. Great. Okay, Dandi Atala.
Oke, Mas Dandi.
Dandi.
Mas Dandi.
Oh, Dandi bentuknya seperti hiasan ya?
Iya, Mas Dandi, can you
Ayo,
show
nah.
us your face? Selalu ini ya, Mas Dandi nih ya, nggak memunculkan. Ayo, Mas. Oke.
What?
What is your question, Dandi?
What is your job in Belgium?
Oh, what is your job in Belgium?
What is my job in Belgium? I work as a chef in the cafe and in the catering of social organization.
Okay, thank you.
Mas Dandi, you know what? That Sinta is a doctor, but she cannot work as a doctor in Belgium. In Indonesia, she's a doctor, but after she's moving in Belgium, she cannot be a doctor there. Nah, jadi di sana dia nggak bisa jadi dokter, guys. Don't you want to ask the reason why Sinta cannot be a doctor in Belgium, Mas Dandi? Mas Dandi? Yes? Oh, tanya dong, Mas.
Yang tanya
coba.
Raihan di chat. Why?
What is the reason? Coba, Mas Dandi. What is the reason why you cannot?
Udah apa?
Loh, udah apa?
Udah.
Mas Dandi ini ya. Ih, Mas Dandi. Ih. Oke.
Yeah. Why?
Okay, next.
I don't know why, but actually the reason is my diploma as a doctor in Indonesia is not the same. Maybe it's not the same level as a doctor in Belgium. So I have to, what is it? How you call it? I forgot the word that I have to make equal my diploma in Indonesia to here. But also they didn't accept for the equality. So if I want to be a doctor and work as a doctor here, I have to study again. I mean from zero in the university. And here it takes longer than in Indonesia. I think like 6 years and a half, 7 years to be a doctor. So I was thinking, no, I'm wasting my time. I will not waste my time. So I did not take it.
Yeah, that is.
Ya, Mas Dandi. Miss Sinta, kalau mau jadi dokter di Belgia, dia harus ambil kuliah dokter lagi dari awal di sana, begitu Mas. Nah, she doesn't want to waste her time dan dia nggak mau. Ya udah, so she take another job.
Ya.
Oke.
Atar.
Oke, Mas Atar lagi.
Oke, Atar.
You say work as a chef. What is the most food you can cook? The most easy food you can cook.
What is the most delicious food you can cook? Like that? Okay. Oh.
My specialty, if it's food, then my specialty is Indonesian food. If it's something sweet, my specialty is pastry.
Oh, pastry.
She is baking pastry. So baking ya, Miss Sinta ya.
Ya, baking.
Is it hard or easy to cook? Yeah. Like
Okay. Okay. Another question.
Yeah.
Yang lain mana ini ya?
Okay, thank
Ini
you.
Mas Abis. Mbak Zahra. Mas Elang, ada Ais. Fitria Rohma. Who is
Gladys.
Fitria Rohma?
Yang belum nih, berarti Miss bilang Gladys belum. Siapa
Mas
tadi?
Kevin. Nadine, Sanum. Sanum, you have prepared a question.
Sanum.
Why don't you ask? Why don't you ask to Miss Sinta? Ayo, Sanum.
Di sini katanya mana?
Sanum, ada ini Mas Razi. Mas Razi.
Mas ini atau mana?
Oh, oke. Abid ya, Mama Chan.
Ya, oke, Mas Abid. Mas
Oke.
Abid, oke.
Oke, Abid, your question.
Ayo, Mas Abid.
Actually, I have two questions.
Okay, actually,
Okay.
he has two questions.
What?
First, why just Belgium flag is almost the same as Germany flag?
Germany flag. True, correct. But what's the difference? And now, check what's the difference.
Mas Abid.
Yeah, is that all? Is it answer your question? Okay, thank you, Mas Abid.
Mas Abid.
Right?
Who
That's the
wants
question.
to ask again? We still have 5 minutes. Gabriel
We
again?
still have 5 minutes.
Gabriel lagi, ada dong yang lain dong, Mas Razi. Come on, Mas Razi.
Ya, ini Gabriel lagi.
Adis lagi.
Ya Allah, ya.
Pelangi boleh lagi. Siapa lagi nih yang belum? Sanum. Mana sih?
Hanum. Oh, Mas Rehan ada lagi. Ayo guys.
Xiaomi nih, who is Xiaomi?
I don't know.
You haven't rename yet. Siapa nih? Mama Chan.
Kayaknya tadi Mas Rehan.
Yeah.
Rehan.
Saya, ma'am.
Ya, Mas Rehan.
Oke, Mas Rehan.
Miss, why do you move to Belgium than other country?
Oh, not other country because my husband lives here.
Okay.
Her husband.
Okay.
She's married to Belgium, so she moved to Belgium.
Wow. Okay. Miss,
Oh
thank you.
alah, I said oh alah.
Walah moment.
I thought like there is apa ya, kayak ada pekerjaan gitu, ma'am, kayak gitu. Ya.
She's married to Belgium. Dia menikahnya sama orang Belgia, guys. So she has to move to Belgium.
It's because the soulmate, because jodoh.
Because her soulmate.
Okay. Last chance because we have only 3 minutes left, Mama Chan.
Okay, Miss.
Who wants besides Adis, Albi, and Gabriel? Bianca? Maybe Bianca again or who?
Oke, Bianca, oke, Mbak Bian, boleh.
Oke.
Can you speak Belgium, Miss?
You speak Belgium. I will tell you. I will
Can
tell
you
you.
say it?
I will tell you. In Belgium, we speak a different language. There are territories where territory name is Flanders. In Flanders, we only speak bahasa Belanda. In Belgium, Wallonia or Wallonie, we call it Wallonie, and they speak French. And the other territory, I forgot the name, but this territory is close to Germany, so they speak German. So if you ask me to speak Belgium, then I will speak Dutch or bahasa Belanda. If you ask me to speak German or French, I cannot, but my husband can. So what do you want me to speak in Dutch? Who
Yes.
asked me?
Yes.
Bianca.
Bianca. Speak.
Like what? Introduction or what?
The first one. What is that? The first one. That
Yang
is
bahasa Belanda.
yes. Yes.
Oke, ya. Introduction. Oke, Miss.
Yeah.
Hallo, ik ben Sinta. Ik ben 38 jaar en ik kom uit Indonesië. Ik woon in België sinds 2016, januari 2016. Ik ben getrouwd met een Belgische man en ik heb 2 dochters.
Danke.
I cannot understand at all what you are saying.
Danke, ngerti ini Danke tau Mama Chan.
Danke aja ngertinya ya. Oh my god, she speak how do we go? Okay,
last one.
Okay, Miss Bila, is that enough?
Or
is there any time
anybody
left?
who wants to ask in chat? Oh, okay, nobody. Well,
Nobody. Okay.
all right. Gabriel and Adis, okay.
Gabriela, ya Allah.
We only had 1 hour for this meeting. Hopefully we can hold the surprise class again, yeah, guys. Yeah, because the duration of the Zoom will changed out. Okay, Miss Sinta, for the last but not least, is there any message for the Indonesian students here?
Nice.
When you are young, so you have to study good. At least you have to be able to learn more than one language, at least English. And then, I mean, if you can speak English, then I don't know. I feel like you can open your own world. Like you can, when you are traveling abroad, then it will be easier for you.
Yeah, okay. So guys, you have to learn so many languages besides English. It will be more beneficial for you all.
Yeah, it's true. Especially French.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Sinta. Okay, do you have any addition, Mama Chan?
Okay. I don't think I have any. Yeah. Maybe we can hold another surprise class. I think 1 hour is not enough for us. Yeah, we can practice our English conversation so that everyone can speak up. I want you to be brave, guys. Why? when we have a lesson, we have a course, you always speak. But here, why so many students doesn't speak, don't speak to Miss Sinta ya, ayolah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All you need is being brave to speak. Yeah, only don't be shy. You have to brave to be brave. Okay. Another surprise class. I want you guys all speak.
Yes. Okay. Don't be shy.
When is it? Oh, Rehan. When is it, ma'am? Another surprise class. Oh, ini aja belum selesai ya. Allah. Oke. Oke, Miss Bila.
Ya, ini ada yang ada teks. Miss Sinta, how old are you?
How old are you?
Miss Sinta is similar with Mama Chan and Miss Bila.
Is similar. Redzi. Halo Mama Chan. Who is Redzi?
Tapi ke kamar kasurku nggak ada bersih.
Razi, oh ini baru ada Razi. Hai Mas Razi ya. We almost end up the meeting. Tadi kameranya nggak ada, baru dapet. Okay, no problem ya. Okay, we can see in the next surprise class. Hello. Thank you so much, Miss Sinta. Hopefully we can meet again in another event. And Mama Chan, thank you for bring Miss Sinta here to assist our students to practice English. Alright, thank you guys. Oh ya, sebelumnya kita foto dulu bareng ya. Oke. Oke, open up yang bisa.
Belum. Kita foto dulu.
Yang
guys.
open kamera bisa open. Boleh open kamera ya. Ada yang nggak ada kameranya nggak apa-apa Mas Razi, kelihatan lainnya kok.
It's okay.
Oke ya, bentar, wait. Oke, semua juga ini ya, apa capture juga biar nggak hilang. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oke, again. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese.
Cheers.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, you can. I will end up the Zoom ya. Thank you all. See you again. See you later.
Bye. Bye.